Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to create an epic template in JIRA Cloud. If you want to streamline your project management and ensure consistency across your projects, this method is perfect for you. JIRA provides some built-in template functionality, but it can be quite limited. That's why creating your own customized epic template is often the best approach. Start by creating a new JIRA issue and selecting the epic issue type. This will serve as the foundation for your template. Fill in all the essential details that you want to appear every time you use this template. If your epics usually contain multiple child issues, like stories or tasks, you can add them within the epic. Depending on your workflow, these can be included either as subtasks or linked issues. Once your epic and related issues are set up, you'll need to make it reusable. JIRA doesn't have a native template feature for epics, but you can easily achieve this by cloning your completed epic. Open the epic, click on the three dots, and select Clone from the menu. This will create a new epic that includes all your pre-filled details and linked issues. After cloning, you can update project-specific information such as deadlines, descriptions, or task owners, making it ready for your new project. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create a reusable epic template in JIRA Cloud, helping you save time and maintain consistency across your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.